Hey everyone, Grumpy Gramps here. It's been a while since I've done a video, as you all know, because I haven't posted anything new. But it's been a little bit of an adjustment since I decided not to do my thru hike this year and to put it off until 2019. But I just didn't feel I was ready for it. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. What I want to talk to you about today is I had an idea, or not really an idea. I saw somebody that had a gear sling for their hammock. Saw it online and I'm like, I could probably make one of those. I actually had a scrap piece of leftover ripstop, and that's what I'm going to do this morning. I'm going to try to make a gear sling out of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sew hems in it. Basically it's going to be like a mini hammock. It's going to have the same hems around the outside, and I'm going to put channels in the two ends and run whoopee slings through them for the hanging of the gear sling. So I'm going to get to it. I'll bring you back when I get some of it completed and show you what's up with it. All right, and basically I'm just using my Singer. I have a Singer heavy-duty sewing machine. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to watch my phone at the same time. But I have my Singer heavy-duty sewing machine that I make my hammocks with and all my other stuff that I've made. So we're going to get to it, and I'll bring you all back in a few minutes. All right, till then. All right, everyone, so I finished my gear sling. There it is right there. Basically what I did is I just made a small hammock. My 6-foot whoopee slings weren't quite long enough to reach my anchor point, so I just added on another piece of am steel, just another am steel loop. I just tied it so that way I could reach my tree strap and then still adjust it. That's not very conducive to adjustment right there, so what I might do is I might just get a couple S-beaners and just put an S-beaner on each side. But I think it's going to work out just fine. There's my backpack in it. My backpack's empty right now, but the way I figure it, it's only going to have to hold about 20 pounds because my food bag is going to be hanging in a tree when I set up for the night, and I'm going to have my clothes on and all that, so it's probably only going to weigh about 20 pounds, but it attaches right to the tree strap, hangs down under. Like I said, I got a 6-foot whoopee sling attached to it, and I can adjust it up and down as needed. Yeah, I think it's going to work out pretty good. It's better than laying my pack on the ground. Plus, if it's going to be a stormy night or a rainy night, it'll be underneath the tarp with me. I won't have to worry about it, you know, finding a place where it won't get wet. But yeah, I'm not sure how much it weighs yet because I haven't weighed it. I'll wait till I get the S-beaners and then I'm going to weigh it. But I'm not imagining it's going to weigh over 6 or 7 ounces because it's fairly small. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and set my camera up, see if I can set my camera up, and I'll get in the hammock so you can see how it hangs when I'm lying in it. But other than that, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get in here so I can let y'all see how it looks. And I can see how it looks when I'm actually lying in it. So I'll put my phone up here and watch. I'm using my phone to control the video. We'll go ahead and get the phone in there. Love this hammock, by the way. This is one that I made by myself. So there you have it. Me in it. I can feel it rubbing on my back a little bit, but I think if I adjust it a little bit better, it will. It's going to be just fine. But anyway, so I'll be trying it out this weekend when I go to Ocala National Forest for 3 days. Got a 40-mile hike planned. Was going to have somebody with me, but it looks like he's not going to be able to make it, so I'll be on my own. So anyway, that's about it from Grumpy Gramps Hammock. Excited about this weekend's hike, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe to the videos. Let your friends know about them. There'll be a lot more videos probably coming up after once I'm done hiking this weekend. All right, talk to y'all later.